How to find Plum account details. Follow my instructions. First, open the Plum app on your phone and log in with your credentials. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version for smooth access. Once inside, head to the profile or account. Look for an option called Account Details or Banking Information. Here you'll see your Plum account number, sort code, and other banking details. These details are what you use to receive transfers into your Plum account. If you need your IBAN for international payments, scroll down within the same section. Plum will show your full IBAN and BIC code, which you can copy or share securely. Always keep this information private and share it only with trusted sources. You can also tap the copy button next to each detail for quick use. This is helpful when setting up a transfer from another bank or app. In case you don't find your account details, try updating the app or reinstalling it. You can also contact Plum support through the in-app chat for immediate help. They'll confirm your details and make sure your account is working correctly. And that's it. That's how to find your Plum account details quickly and securely. Thanks for watching.